Welcome to our How-To series, where you'll find step-by-step instructions for using the iRead technologies. Here's a short video that explains how to use the teacher tool for assigning specific language content to whole class groups and individual students. In your web browser, access the teacher tool by entering the URL. You might find it helpful to bookmark this within your favourites to save time the next time you log in. Enter your personal teacher credentials, then click Login. On your home screen, there are various options for viewing information about students and assigning different kinds of content. Either from the side panel or menu boxes, click on Class Assignment. If you want to assign different language content to specific students, we recommend that you assign to the whole class first, then to individual students second. This is so that the class group assignments don't override the assignments you've made to the student. Choose the class group you want to assign content for, then select Assign Games. To filter the language content, from the first top-down menu, choose the language level, then language category and feature type. Scan through the list, then check the items you want to assign at the end of the row. Click Get Games. Scroll to the bottom of the screen to view the games that are available for the chosen language feature. You can remove any unwanted games, edit the order that these are presented to the student, and select how many times they will play a game with that language feature. When you have edited the game list, click on Assign Games. After a few moments, a green notification box will appear to let you know that the games have been successfully assigned to the student. The next time the student logs in or enters the pyramid within the Navigo game, they will see these assigned games. When they have completed all of the games that you have assigned, they will continue playing in adaptive mode. As always, let us know how you get on in the comment section below, and feel free to ask questions or make suggestions on future topics you'd like us to cover by contacting us at iRead@ucl.ac.uk or through our website. Thanks for watching.